Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Gorilla Mind energy drinks. So you should buy these drinks or not? Does it really work or not? So what are the things you need to keep in your mind before placing any order of your energy drinks? Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, like, this is a very popular brand and they are approx 11 years from now and they have good review on internet. Okay, and they are also available on amazon.com, and their most popular product are energy drinks and pre-workouts. Okay, so the best first part is like, what are the precautions you should take before placing any order. The first thing you can see over here on Trustpilot, they have profile and they have some negative reviews also, and the negative reviews is complaining like subscription. And you can see over on your screen, like when you place any order on the official website, there is an option like subscribe and save, and by default this option is activated. When you place any order on the website, they will activate subscription and you have to pay lots of fees if you want product or not. Okay, so this is the first thing. If you really want to try their product, you should buy product only for one time purchase, or you can buy product on amazon.com. and their energy drinks is really good, and you can see the rating is really good, and the cost is really, you can say, like good one. So you can buy their drinks and you can get the benefits. There is no other problems. The only thing you need to keep in your mind, that is subscription. You need to avoid subscription purchase. Okay, so now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.